Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. We'll be drawing all 3 parts of the Noah's Ark story, so don't miss it. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's do my favorite part of the Noah's Ark story, the rainbow, the promise from God. We're gonna start with these clouds. You're gonna pretend like your pencil is hopping like a bunny, and you're gonna do that 5 different times. Coming from the back of that hop, you wanna do 4 bunny hops once again. Each of these hops can be big or they can be small. That's what makes a cloud look like a cloud. It's not all the same. From your bottom points, you're gonna do a straight line coming in. So that back one will do a straight line. And then those 2 front points, you're gonna do a straight line all the way across. Amazing. Let's do clouds on the other side of our rainbow. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna do 5 bunny hops at the front. Different sizes and make them as curved as you can. Okay, let's do that back one. 4 hops and you're gonna end it right on that front cloud. Let's connect with those straight lines at the bottom of both of our clouds. These look so good. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. Drawing a rainbow is not easy. Your lines almost have to be perfect, but let me just tell you, if you ever see a rainbow out in the sky, it's never exactly perfect. It's always smudged. God has a way of making everything so unique, so do not worry if it's not perfect. From those back 2 clouds, you're gonna do a giant curved line that goes all the way from one side to the other. Above that, you guessed it, you're doing another curved line. Your goal with each of these curved lines is that the space between the curved lines would be equal all the way around. Easier said than done, right? I believe in you. If you need to take a break or erase something, it is no big deal. So we're gonna do 8 lines. That's gonna give us 7 spots between them. According to Roy G. Biv, which is the color acronym, we need to have 7 different spaces: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, we've got 2 more lines, guys. You're doing really, really good. Okay, let's do that last curve. It looks amazing, guys. I cannot believe we just did that. Sometimes it is so hard to get those lines not super wobbly, but even the most experienced artist is going to have a little bit of an issue with that. So don't fret too much. The last thing I want to add is going to be a sunshine. This is God's promise, so having a sun just feels like the right thing. So what you're going to do in the middle of your paper, I want you to just do a small circle.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
is in session. Mrs. Scribbles. Mrs. Scribbles.